Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sum values between two numbers. Okay, let's get started. Here I have a numbers in column B and I want to sum only the values between 50 and 100. To do that, just type this formula equal then sum if and then select your data again and then type your first criteria greater than equal 50 and then select your data again and then type second criteria less than equal 100. This formula will add up value that are greater than or equal to 50 and less than or equal to 100. But take a note, by default between in Excel is inclusive. That means it includes both 50 and 100. But if you want to exclude them, just change the signs to only greater than without equal and then less than without equal. But in this tutorial, I will include the 50 and 100. So just hit the enter. And see, you have some values between two numbers in Excel. Okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.